Being a family liaison officer is probably the most challenging role that I've done in my 29 years service. Getting that call in the middle of the night to be deployed to an incident, it's something you can't really explain. You attend at the scene and then you're asked to go to break some really bad news to a family member. I leave the scene. I normally put an address into the sat-nav on my vehicle, and the butterflies I feel when I'm close to that address is something you really can't explain. And the closer I get to the address, the adrenaline and the butterflies, they just get worse. You get to the address and you know then that within the next couple of minutes, you are basically going to ruin somebody's life because the news you're going to tell them about their loved one. I knock the door and it's normally an adult that will answer. And I know that I've got to tell them that their son, daughter, wife, mother, father has just been killed in a road collision. And that feeling is something that, that first reaction I get to the family is something that will remain with me forever. And I also get the feedback from families and they tell me that they will remember my face on that knock at the door as well. My aim as a police officer and the aim of my colleagues as fellow family liaison officers is to find a way that we don't have to knock people's doors in the middle of the night and tell them that their loved one has passed away. We don't want to hear their screams. We don't want to see them crying in front of us. So every little thing helps.